How to share Canva templates. So say for example, this is the template that you want to share. What you can do is click the share button found on the upper right corner, and you will see this template link button. So click this, and then copy the link of this template. Once you've copied the link, you can now share this to anyone that you want to give this template to. So anyone with a link can use this design as a template. But if you're an online seller and you're selling this template, what you can do is copy the link and then paste this link to any node. Now create a new design. So you can select from any of these designs, but for this I will be using duck. So this will serve as a thank you card for your customers who have purchased your template. Now you can edit this to however you like using the tools provided by Canva. So now you can paste the link here. So you can leave this as it is, or you can change this into its link form. To do that, just click this ellipsis icon or the more icon and select Edit Link. Now tap the drop down arrow button beside Embed and select Link. Now click the Share button and then copy link. Now send this link to customers who have purchased your item. And so that is how you share Canva templates. Thank you and have a great day.